Ladies and gentlemen, guess what? I'm going to show you welding. I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to do weird things and whatnot, and I'm going to put this before I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to show you welding with me, speeding things up, because I can't show you how to weld through my helmet, because then I couldn't see if the camera was in there, and quite frankly, you know the drill. And welding cameras I guess, are expensive. I never looked, but if you want to buy me one, send me one. I'll show you how to weld, but I ain't gonna go out and buy a welding camera. I mean, yeah, no, if you wanna, yeah. Anyway, so what you're gonna see is me sitting on it, doing whatever I do, kind of in a time-lapse sped up, and we're gonna just show you the welds, because I'm welding the plate on, and off we go. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So coming right up, just watch it, see what I add. Maybe I'll put some polkas in there. Hope you all learned something. Liquid gold. Well, day one is in the books. I'm trying this. I got a nice light here. Maybe that's better. Day really shows off my gray. Got the first day in on the welding. Got it put on. She's hot. It's after hours because so much going on here today. Hopefully I'll be able to finish it up tomorrow. So hey guys, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to add this in wherever I can. You guys that weld for a living out there will really understand this, and the rest of you might not, but I was welding underneath that Timbco the other day, and a lot of memories came flashing back. Remember, I said I was welding underneath, so I was doing overhead. And you know, years ago when I was a young man, I used to put my leathers on, you know, zip up, had everything here. Well, then after you get burned a couple times, you go, eh. The other night I went in the house and took my shirt off. I know that would be a scary sight, but I took my shirt off. And you can always tell welders, you know, because they got holes in their shirts all over the place from grinding and whatever. But anyhow, I've got at least 6 to 7, maybe 8. I quit counting. BBs rolling in my shirt and down my coveralls and burning through. And a sign of a good welder is you finish the bead and let it burn. It's about time. I'm alone all day, been busy. It's time to weld. Watch me. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just about done. Wait, yeah, I'm just about done with this project. I'm going to show you some welds now. Hope you don't mind. This should be the end of what you saw, the fast forward, and hopefully you made it this far. It's been a couple, 3, 4, 5, 6 days when I've had time to do this, so I'm just going to show you a little bit and I'm going to get out of here. And then the next time you're going to see me is probably doing an assembly video. Like I said earlier in the beginning of this, I'd love to show you all the welds, but I don't have a camera that, and since I said that in the beginning, I've looked up, they're quite spendy. I might someday try to make a homemade one, but someday usually doesn't come for me. So anyways, I'm going to show you what I got. I got to lay about, let's see, I got to turn the camera around. There's a viewfinder. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. I got to go around the corner yet and finish that. Look at that. That's called a stacked up weld. I don't know how many, there's 4 passes right there. There's a bunch in the groove. I don't know, maybe there's 10, 12, 14. I don't count anymore. That's all vertical up. 777 wire. I roll the corners in there, and maybe when I get her all done. I was struggling here for a while because what happened in the beginning of this, and you see me dinking around with the welder a lot, because even guys that like me that are supposedly really good and experienced, sometimes we forget. So just to put it honestly, I've welded with this machine for years and years. Yeah, for a lot of years, and I had my setting, and you bump a knob when it's off and the things are off. So, man, it took me a long time to dial it back into where I wanted it, and I got her. And when you get things precise, then you get good results, and that's what I got. I saved all the other stuff on the inside for that setting up, so I got to finish up for the day. It's 7 o'clock, and I got to do this sometimes after 5 when everybody goes home and I get left alone. So, and we've had these, this is the week of, this will tell you what week it is, what day I recorded it. We had 30, at my place we had negative 30 Fahrenheit this morning. My 7.3 diesel would not start, it was parked in the shed. We had to drag it in the shop and warm it up. It didn't gel up, it just was that damn cold. And once we got it in here, it started. It just wasn't turning over fast enough. And we had, booster pack on it the whole 9 yards. She just wouldn't turn over fast enough. Of course, I run 1540 oil in it, but anyhow, it was just a day from hell. The wind was blowing last night. The furnace ran all night. They said we had negative 50 windshield factor, which is cold by anybody's standard. So, all right, I'm going to end this thing. So next time you see this, hopefully the next video, you'll see it going together, or we'll be putting the bearing on, or I'll do some assembly maybe, and we'll go from there. But pretty much the welding is going to be complete. I just got to do the finish up, clean up, and that's it. So thanks for watching till this point. I really appreciate all you guys watching, and the viewers that like the welding stuff. And like I said, if you want to buy me a welding camera, you go right ahead. I'll show you how to put beads down like that. So, all right. See you, bye.